Hey there, curious minds. Ready to unlock the secrets of our amazing world? Let's get started.
How do cellular proteins reach their specific biological destinations? Welcome to the science of the Golgi Apparatus. The Golgi Apparatus is a vital organelle that receives, chemically modifies, and sorts cellular materials. It is built from Cisternae. These are a series of flattened, stacked, and highly organized membrane sacs. Materials arrive at the Cis Face. This is the incoming receiving membrane, located near the endoplasmic reticulum. Proteins travel inside transport vesicles. These tiny membrane bubbles seamlessly fuse with the Golgi to deposit their contents. Inside the Cisternae, proteins undergo chemical modification. Specialized enzymes reshape the complex molecules. For example, enzymes attach carbohydrate chains directly to proteins, creating complex molecules called glycoproteins. After modification comes molecular sorting. The Golgi attaches chemical tags to direct the proteins exactly where to go. The finished materials move to the trans phase. This is the outgoing, release side of the organelle. The modified proteins are securely packaged into new secretory vesicles that pinch off the trans phase. Many vesicles travel to the cell membrane. They perform exocytosis, releasing their contents outside the cell. Other vesicles stay inside. The Golgi packages powerful digestive enzymes to create new lysosomes. In plant cells, the Golgi also synthesizes complex, heavy carbohydrates required to build the rigid cell wall. The Golgi is not static. It is a highly dynamic structure with membranes constantly flowing, breaking, and reforming. Without this precise processing, essential proteins and lipids would never reach their necessary biological targets to sustain life. Remember, the Golgi receives vesicles at the Cis Face, chemically modifies them, and safely releases them from the trans phase. Your cells are a masterpiece of biological engineering. Stay curious and keep moving forward.
If you like this video, like, share, and subscribe to Tender Intellects for more such fun videos.